want you for myself, 'cause you're no one else's.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a beautiful wig to talk about. This is a special wig. Today's hair sponsor is Raregen hair. This is actually my first collaboration with them, but I'm so glad that they reached out to me because this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 HD straight frontal wig. This is a double monofilament wig with the density 210%. What is a double monofilament wig? Well, in short, it has a special lace area where it looks like the hairs are growing out of the scalp. You can part it anywhere and it gives scalp, and most lace wigs don't give that look because they're not made with this special kind of lace. If you want to find out all the details about this wig, continue watching.
Was running in circles, 'cause you made me lose my way. Now I'm so ungrateful. Sure she will help you, 'cause no, you can't help yourself. Goodbye, Mr. Painful. First help me love and be in your arms, then call and say she's the one. No, I'm not surprised. I really thought that it'd be different. I'm sure you don't got no feelings. Maybe
but now this is what it looks like after the knots being bleached. I think it looks so much better now after I did that, and now look at what she's giving. Ow. She's giving, that is her hair. I also plucked her a little bit off camera. There's some combs. I'm going to use the combs. Ear tabs free. This is really good lace, so it is giving HD. Now if you want to go in with your zigzag scissors, feel free to do so. I'm going to test out, make sure it's laying where I want her to lay. Okay, so that's what it's going to be giving. I'm happy with that. I'm going to go in with this ebon lace spray. So this layer is still a little wet. I want to melt her down. There's no lace tint needed. It just melts into your skin, whatever skin tone you have. Okay guys, this is what she's looking like. Maybe we should just do a little quick melt on her just to ensure that everything is just laying where it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go again and just detail any spot where I think could use some more melting. Let's see. Okay, clean away the crusties.
Years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care, the seasons change.
Okay. I wanted to share with you guys a little hack. So if you find that that part is too light for you, you can go in with some of this. This is lace tint spray. Section, you part it, because you can see those are two different colors, my skin tone and that. Shake it, spray. Wipe, makeup wipe, clean up the hair. Now you can see it's the same color. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do that all throughout.
I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming.
I'm usually always gonna wear it in like a middle part.
1,000 tears and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel
What I'm trying to do right now is blend the two sections here, that lace and also, you know, the mono cap.
the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you.
My focus is this area right here because the two different textures transitions, right? So I want to blend those two very naturally, and I think I achieved that just now.
Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven.
Okay, and again, I'm gonna go in with the same spray just to make my life easy.
Somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a time to be in love.
It also smells really good, you guys. Like when you get it, take the wig out of the box, it smells very pretty. Like it smells like fresh flowers. When you wash it, it still smells like that. So yeah, I bleached the knots and then I also toned it with purple shampoo, and then I washed that out because I didn't like how it looked like that. It was still giving me very copper. Then I also toned the knots. See how silky that's getting? Ooh, it's silky, Anna. I have to admit that once I did the work for this, you really cannot tell that it's a wig. Like you can't, it looks so believable. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish straightening this wig and then I'm gonna come back once it's all straightened.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing? With my head on the time, you go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow.
This is actually the first time I've tried a wig specifically like this. I've had similar but not quite. Because they invested so well into the box, it got me excited. When I opened the box and I saw the wig and how beautiful it was, I was stunned. If you're going to buy this wig, you're gonna have to do a few things to make it look as good as it looks on me today. Some of those things that I did were bleach the knots and also pluck the hairline just slightly off camera. It really does make a difference. When I first put the wig on, the hairline looked very full. It didn't blend, it didn't match, it looked obvious. I knew the potential of this wig, so that's why I did what I did. And can we get into the texture, you guys? Have you ever seen such silky hair in your life? Now the density of this unit is 210%, and I would agree, it is 210%. It's not giving me thin. It's not giving me thin around here. Even though it is bone straight, it still is perfect density. If you're gonna get this wig, I definitely recommend doing those few things. It's not a lot, it's not complicated. The lace does fit very well, and there's not a lot of work that needs to be done in that aspect. Now, what I would do to level up this hairstyle would be, I would just maybe trim the ends just right here, just a little bit, because it is definitely giving me longer than 24 inches anyway. I would just clean up the ends like that just to make that difference. You see how clean that looks? It instantly looks even fuller, and I think that's just prettier. For me, that's what I would do. If you got this wig at home, I would recommend doing that as well, because it's going to level up that look even more. My overall thoughts on this unit is it's beautiful. Had I known that the wigs would turn out to look like this, I wouldn't have been so skeptical in the beginning, because when you get the wig, you think, wow, it's way better than what I thought it would be. Don't be afraid to try it out and test it out, because the one that I have, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase it. So if you're going and looking at the other wigs and you're like, why does it look like that? Don't worry about that, sis. Just get the one that's linked in the description box. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well, so you can save some money on your purchase, because this is a premium wig you're gonna have for a long time. It's an investment. That being said, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.